Before we jump straight to demos, I thought it might be helpful to visualize the Gatsby build lifecycle. The amount of Gatsby APIs can be intimidating at first, but I've put together a timeline view of what a build looks like so you can visualize when each hook gets called. The lifecycle starts with the onPre-init hook, which is called after plugins have loaded. After that, onCreateBabelConfig gets called, which allows you to customize the Babel config used during initialization. Once the initialization phase is done, the bootstrapping phase begins with the onPre-bootstrap hook. This is where many different APIs come into play that we'll be exploring in more detail in the course. The source nodes hook will allow us to create additional GraphQL nodes for querying, which we'll use to build a source plugin. The Create Pages API allows us to generate dynamic pages to add to the site, which we'll use for blog posts. Then there are a series of events that don't get called in a specific order. They're the onCreateNode and onCreatePage events. The onCreateNode event lets us transform nodes for a transformer plugin. The onCreatePage event was featured earlier in the course to add additional page context. Once all the nodes and pages have been created, Gatsby invokes the onPostBootstrap hook, signaling the bootstrap phase is complete. The onPreBuild event will only be emitted when you run a Gatsby build command to build a production version of the site. However, the onCreateWebpackConfig event will be invoked whether you are performing a build or not. Finally, when performing a build, the onPostBuild event is the last event in the build lifecycle to be called.